Hello everybody, it's CubeTube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube with a slightly more advanced method. The first thing you want to do when trying to solve it with a slightly more advanced method is to build an entire side with what we like to say is a full edge completion around the side, so a full side with all these edges completed at the same time. So scramble up. But when you're trying to solve it this way, you can't just look for the white side automatically. You've got to look at the entire cube. So I noticed that here we've got either the green side or the orange side, both with the edges already in the right place. And this is a really good start because that's an easy way to start building a full edge and face. So I noticed that here I can obviously pull this up and put that down, creating triple, so 3 of them, with only 1 left to insert. Then, because this is here, I can just pull this up, rotate the top twice to put it in. Obviously, there are lots and lots of different scenarios and different ways you can do this, but this is generally the way I tend to try and solve the first edges and the first face. Now, before we begin showing you the OLL algorithms, which we'll put down in the description, I need to explain some cubing notation to you guys quickly. So, in the description, you'll see a bunch of letters with little apostrophes after some of the letters. So, pretty much, if you see a U, it means the top face, the up face. If you see R, it means the right side. If you see F, it means the front, the face. If you see left, it means the left side. If you see B, it means the back. If you see D, it means like the downside. So, if you just see that letter, it means that one clockwise. So if you see just U, it's the top clockwise. If you see L, it's just L clockwise. But if you see L and then the apostrophe afterwards, that means it's L anti-clockwise. So if you see, for example, you might see F, U, R, you might see U prime, R prime, F prime. We just say prime because it's easier than saying apostrophe. So that's just brief cubing notation, which you can use to understand the algorithms we'll put down in the description. There are 7 possible scenarios you can get once you've solved the first side when you're trying to solve the next steps at the top side. So, the 7 cases, we'll have the algorithms down in the description below, but I'll show you them now. So, scenario 1 is a single yellow dot here, and you want to rotate it so that this piece here is in the bottom left, and the yellow piece is here. Not there, here. So, another scenario is that you'll get similar with the single yellow dot, but instead of putting it in the bottom left like we did before, we put it in the bottom right because the yellow piece is here, not here. In which case we do this. So it's left, away, up, like that. That will again be down in the description. That's the second algorithm. So, then we have the third algorithm. It's a pair like this, with broken yellow headlights, because headlights is having these 2 here, and they're broken because they're not together. That's the third one, which we will put down in the description. Then we have the fourth one. So, 2 pieces, but in a diagonal line. If this is the case, we want to put the diagonal line with the top left being here, the bottom right being here. Then, this yellow piece needs to be here, not here. So if that's the case, that is algorithm 4. So then we have this case. We have 2 like this and 2 like that. Proper headlights. This is algorithm 5. This is algorithm 6, with headlights set up like this and broken headlights at the back. If this is the case, we want to have the headlights off to the left and hold it like this. This is algorithm 6. Algorithm 7 is when you have headlights here and headlights here. This, again, is algorithm 7. Once you solve the top side, there are 2 possible scenarios you'll get. Either you'll get a scenario where none of these pieces around here are matched up, which is the one we have here, or you have one where there will be 2 matched up. If learning this algorithm now seems too complicated, you can just learn the next algorithm once, and then you just do that algorithm, it'll pop you out with a pair, so you can do it again, and that'll solve. So here's the algorithm. So you have the correct 2 on the top left, bottom left, and the top right, doing this algorithm. So front clockwise, right up, top counterclockwise, right down, top counterclockwise, right up, top clockwise, right down, front counterclockwise, right up, top clockwise, right down, top counterclockwise, right down, front clockwise, right up, top clockwise. The other scenario, of course, is when you have pairs such as this. In that case, you put the 2 pairs at the back matched up with the same color, and you do this algorithm. So right down, front clockwise, right down again, and then I tend to look at the bottom here, so it's the bottom twice, right up, top clockwise, right down, bottom twice, then right twice. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will put the links to the solving the top side down in the description so you can learn from that, and hopefully you can get your solve time down. So if you practice this and work hard, you can get this under 10 seconds hopefully. But hopefully we'll see you in the next video. So KubeTube out. Thank you.